guys, welcome to this channel. So today we're going to do a makeup tutorial with this new trend, which is the inverted eyeliner. So before starting with this video, don't forget to subscribe and let's get started. Of course, the first thing that I'm going to apply is a little bit of primer on my face. I'm using the Wet n Wild face primer, but I already told you guys that I don't like it. Of course, after that I'm going to use my orange concealer. This is from LA Girl, and this is of course because my dark circles are intense, but you guys can skip this part. And by the way, this weekend was the best weekend ever. So nice to sleep. Oh my god, I have at least 7 hours of sleep, relax, rest. Thank you, that's very sweet.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. The next thing I'm going to use is the L'Oreal True Match Eye Cream and the Concealer B1-2 in the shade Fair. And I'm going to apply 1, 2, 3 dots on each side and start blending the concealer. Feeling very productive, even though we started super late in the morning. I think at 11 started our day, but it felt really productive. The next thing I'm going to do is apply foundation, and for that I'm going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Foundation. This is in the shade 80 medium 80W, and only one pump, of course, and start blending the foundation. And I just wanted to tell you guys that something new is coming to this channel. So I was thinking and really thinking about it. It's something that I love to do, and if you follow me on Instagram, it's something that I've been telling you guys that I love to do, and I show you guys when I do it, and etc etc. Super different. It has nothing to do with makeup, but it's something that I love to do. And however, I am not professional, but I'm super excited to start this new series. So to contour my face, I'm going to use the BH Cosmetics palette, the one when we travel to Tulum, and I'm gonna go with the color Castillo, and I'm going to apply this on the upper part of my face. And I'm gonna go with the color Ruinas, which this is shade to contour my face. By the way, last time I went to Target, I forgot to tell you guys that I saw the game Monopoly, and oh my god, it's a new Monopoly from Target. We got so excited. I mean, we are fan of Target. I mean, who can I go to Target, but we are fan of the game Monopoly in this house. And yeah, so when we saw the kids were super excited about it, and you have those small baskets like you have actually at Target, and it was super cute. I really want to buy it. See, I don't know, I just imagine having Target in your house. Just couldn't really, I forgot to see actually like how the game looks, but I kind of saw that they were like small baskets because I got excited with home stuff at Target. So at the end I didn't see really well the game, but I'm actually thinking of buying it. It's so cute. Now I'm gonna get the color Paradise, and this is just to contour my nose. I'm going to use blush, and this is from ColourPop in the shade Picnic Time, and I'm going to blend the blush. I'm starting to look for fall decor, especially for the background, because you guys know, I think I've told you guys already in other videos that I always like to decorate the background depending on the season. I feel like I don't know, it really gets into the mood of the season, and so also we change a little bit the background so it's not always like the same. I just I just love to decorate. Not only here for the background for the videos, but also around the house. I like to decorate depending on the season. Also holidays. Oh, I forgot again. I forgot to put concealer. I'm gonna use the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. It's not having a good Monday. So now I'm going to apply some concealer on my lids to, of course, prepare them for the makeup on the eyes. And I always like to use the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. So let's start with the makeup on the eyes. I'm going to use Tres Luce, the I Am palette, and I'm gonna go with the shade Light. This is going to be just to set the concealer. So we start actually with the rest of the colors for this makeup look. Have some fall decorations. Should we start in September? I don't know.
No, I think we should start in like the second week of September.
But that wasn't very nice.
It's the fall starts.
I was so excited. Puerto Rico palette. I'm gonna go with Party in Puerto Rico, the Puerto Rico palette from BH Cosmetics. Oh my god, that was so funny. I'm gonna go with the color Isla Verde. Slowly with the color and start. Wait, I need another one. Go better with this brush, and I'm gonna start blending the color on the upper part of my crease. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side, slowly going out. And now I'm gonna go back with I Am palette, and I'm gonna go with the color Diosa. This color, I'm going just to apply it on the lids. I know it looks kind of similar, but it's just a tiny bit different, and I just want to stick to this color. It's gonna make more sense with the inverse eyeliner. I'm gonna do the same thing on this side of the eyes. Did you guys see the new MAC collection that is coming for fall? Oh my god, it is so beautiful. That they're going for is in the Renaissance period. Oh my god, I love it so much. It is so beautiful. By little, the brands are showing us their new fall collection, but the MAC one, it's so beautiful. So after that, I'm gonna go back to the Puerto Rico palette, and I'm gonna go with the color Vieques. And I'm going to apply this color on the middle part of my lid, so we have a pop of glitter in the middle and it doesn't look that matte. So for the inverse eyeliner, I'm going to go with the color Única, and I'm going to apply this with a flat brush. With this color, we're gonna go underneath the lower lashes. So basically, I'm gonna go super close to the lower lashes. I'm gonna go a little bit outside of my inner corner. And then I'm gonna start going towards the outside of my eye. I'm going to do the same thing on this side, going a little bit outside of my inner corner and continuing underneath the eyes with that color, and start making that line. The second color will be Alma, and again with the same brush. But this color, I'm gonna go really close to my waterline and do basically the same wig line and going out with the color very close to my waterline. I'm going to clean underneath and a little bit on top. I'm gonna go with a black eyeliner. You can use a black one or a brown one depending on whatever you want to choose. I'm using a black one so it looks more intense on the bottom of the eyes. I'm not going to use any falsies, but of course you guys can, just because I want to keep them the look a little bit intense, as you guys can see, but at the same time giving the lashes its freedom. For the lips, I'm going to use the NYX matte lipstick, and this is in the shade Strawberry Daiquiri. Top of that, I'm going to use the NYX body gloss. This is in the color Creme Brulee. So this is the final makeup look. It's very simple. I feel like to do this inverse eyeliner on the eyes. It's just basically going with the shape of your waterline. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Love the look. I'm going towards the fall makeup looks. I love it so much. Next week it's September. Super excited to go to Target. Don't forget to subscribe, give a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so YouTube can notify you, and I'll see you on the next episode on this channel. So excited. Okay, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.